Today I'm reviewing the BSOD magic bulb. This bulb is a rechargeable bulb. It can act as a flashlight. I live in an area where electricity goes off and on, so this is a very good needful must-have. So you get 2 of these bulbs. So the bulbs look like this. You also get 2 of the remote control. I'm in a dark room right now and I'm gonna turn on the bulb. So this is how bright the bulb is. So this bulb is an energy saving LED bulb. It has the remote control, which is really good. So all you just have to buy is battery for the remote control and you're good. It can be used as a warm bulb, cordless bulb. This is rechargeable, so you can just recharge it. It gives you 3 levels of brightness that you can get. First level, it gives you 4 to 5 hours if you use it at 100% brightness. If you use it as 75% brightness, it gives you 7 to 8 hours, and at 50% brightness you get 9 to 10 hours. You could also remove the bottom of this bulb like this and turn it into a pluggable. So you see right there. So it's very multi-purpose. You can use it as an indoor LED light bulb. You can use it when you go camping. You can use it for so many things. So if you don't want to use the remote control, there's a button right over here that when you press it, it acts as the on button and also changing the levels, the 3 levels of brightness. I absolutely love it.